D, and Attorney Nelsie Arcalas. And I would like to remind everybody that first runner-up is very important. Why? Because in case that the new Linay Sang Barangay 3 cannot fulfill her reign, automatically the first runner-up will be declared as the new Linay. Kasi next day, mamana lang madaog, obwas, mabustong, mamana, mamuna na, maalok na, wala na Linay. Ang first runner-up ang atong ipulos. Hindi man kung pwede nga akong ipulos. First runner-up! It is a good competition since mostly of them first-timer. First runner-up to be presented by, again, Dr. D and Attorney Arcalas. She will receive 3,000 pesos from Barangay 3 officials, headed by Barangay Captain Alejano. Additional prize of 2,000 pesos from Congressman Gary Alejano. First runner-up is candidate number. Again, sa tanan-tanan, salamat. Tita Cecil, salamat din. Talagsalangit kami balik din ni Riza. Palang ginama ng Barangay 3. First runner-up is candidate number. We will announce first the first runner-up kaya hindi pwede ma-Miss Colombia kita. Kaya first runner-up lang itang lawagon tauna ha. Hindi ang winner. First runner-up is candidate number.
Miss Ella Caingles, candidate number 5.
Candidate number 5, Ella Caingles. And presenting the award for our Linay Sang Barangay 3, then we have the Chairman of the Board of Judges, Engineer Jessel Alejano, Barangay Captain Jesus A. Alejano, and the woman behind Linay Sang Barangay 3, Leslie Alejano. Good, ano na pala si Tita Cecil? Wow! The Linay Sang Barangay 3 will receive 5,000 pesos from Leslie. Another 5,000 pesos from Iloilo Executive under Dexter Aliano, and an additional of 3,000 pesos from Congressman Gary Alejano. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor to present to you the first Linay Sang Barangay 3 candidate number 3.
Miss Diana Jean Abastenia.
Can we have now to be awarded by Butch Hardelesman, Vice President Iloilo Executive, to hand in the Gingel Palmares, Treasurer of Iloilo Executive, Andre Dilaliana, Auditor of Iloilo Executives. Amuni sila nag-sponsor ang additional 5,000 pesos. Wow, damo ko dyan po ng mga taga-Iloilo Executive. Pasaylo na lang ko sa Iloilo. Balong ko si Kap, pasaylo ko sa Molo. Thank you, sir. Thank you for sharing your blessing. I hope na nag-enjoy ka mo. Ara na sila. Yes, sir. Good honor. Congratulations. Ma'am Victoria, ng members ng Iloilo, the auditor, treasurer. Yes. They are sponsoring the another 5,000 pesos. Iloilo Executive for documentation. That's the purpose. Thank you very much, Iloilo Executive, under the President, Dexter Alejano. Thank you. Congratulations! Pwede din ka party basta wala lang sa maginamo. Kaya kung maginamo siya, tanan ang mabayad sang gasto. Di ba, ma'am? Pwede din ka bayad sa mag-aga. Kaya kung maginamo siya ang mabayad sa tanan nga gasto.